Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn on friends of friends on Imo. First of all, you can open the Imo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply go to the settings option. Tap on settings, and after this you can just simply see the second option, that is functions. Tap on it again, and here you can see the option contacts section, that is people you may know. You can just simply enable this option. After enabling the option, the friends on Imo is turned on. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.